no problem. Want a towel on a chair in the sand by the sea. Wanna look through my shades and see you there with me. Wanna soak up life for a while and lay back mode. No boss, no clock, no stress, no dress code. No shoes, no shirt, and no problem. Blues, what blues? Hey, I forgot 'em. The sun in the sand and a drink in my hand with no bottom and no shoes, no shirt, and no problem. Babe, let's get back to tank tops and lip flops if you got 'em. No shoes, no shirt, and no problem. No problem. No problem. I don't want it. What's the weather looking like? Oh man, it's another beautiful day down here in Southwest Florida. We worked hard all year, just wanted a few weeks alone. But his old lady's into modeling, can't get away from the phone. Besides, she bitches about the mosquitoes. She says down there's nothing to do. Her goddamn phone never stops ringing. He'll try the service in a day, maybe two. Well, he's on his third drink before the wheels of the plane leave the ground. Making points with the stewardess high over Long Island Sound. Pine Island Sound, maybe. She's also spending some time on the island. Too much city madness gives her the blues. They make a date to go dancing and dining. It seems that neither one has that much to lose. Weather is here, I wish you were beautiful. My thoughts aren't too clear, but don't run away. My girlfriend's a bore, my job is too dutiful. Hell, nobody's perfect, would you like to play? I feel together today. Finally I'm getting it together. Well now, that's just the start of a well-deserved overdue binge. Meanwhile, back in the city, certain people are starting to cringe. His lawyers are calling his parents. His girlfriend doesn't know what to think. His partners are studying their options. He's just a singing and a ordering drinks. Weather is here, I wish you were beautiful. The skies aren't too clear, life's so easy today. The beer is too cold, the daiquiri's too fruitful. No place like home when you're this far away. I don't care what they say, I don't care. Hey, let them say what they want to say. It's all right. I don't care either. You care? I don't care. He's going back to New York, pack it up and let everyone know. It was something that he should have done such a long time ago. Still time to start a new life in the palm trees. Billy Clyde wasn't insane, and if if it doesn't work out, there'll never be any doubt that the pleasure was worth